swims.
Oh, it's beautiful fall day at Fish Creek.
It's breathtaking though.
All the way across.
Timeout box.
In this timeout box, because I stole Diane's custom creation mittens from Louise. But luckily, I have to drink all of this. Captain Morgan.
Well, if it's Diane,
If you drink
that's
this,
probably what they would give you to do.
if you drink this, you'll have it'll be warm inside and toasty warm inside.
White lady.
And here's the priest that told me how to do it.
Oh yeah.
Or dip it in. Try that too.
Am I looking better now?
Yeah, I'm gonna drink you pretty. Totally warms you up. Yeah, I know they have in my. Oh, the fudge in there.
Look at the happy hour people.
Who made the fudge? Who made the fudge?
This is Kim after Fireball, fudge, and now beer.
It's like 85, 90 degrees.
Last week we were in Smoky Mountains and it was 85 degrees.
Yeah.
Wow. About expect that.
Well, last week we were on Assateague Island and Blueberry Bay.
Somebody's on timeout. You were bad. You were bad. Well, zip that up. How is it, Linda? Oh, yeah. Larry, did you have Fireball and wine? You're supposed to have the fudge. What happened again?
Do that again.
You need Fireball.
Did you taste the Fireball? Whoa!
Not quite the same. Not quite the same.
Oh well.
You can delete that. There you go, Jay.
What? Oh yeah. Okay, wait. I gotta take it. Okay, this is the after video. How was the photo shoot?
Blinding. I liked it.
Yeah, we're done.
All right.
Disperse.
Thank you, Jay.
Oh, I know where your secret stash is. There they are. The secret spot. Wait, you're bad again? That's the isolation booth too.
Oh, geez. She got down here with the picture. I was about to call you and then.
I ain't worried about it. I
Okay.
can be superimposed.
How's it going so far?
Very good.
Are you
Need people to eat more, though.
eat more, people?